Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Steam error code 105 quickly and easily so you can browse the store and play your games without interruptions. This error usually occurs when Steam cannot connect to the server, often due to network issues or browser conflicts. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. Restarting your router can help refresh your connection. Next, disable any VPN or proxy service because Steam may block connections coming from hidden or restricted networks. After that, clear your Steam web browser cache. Open Steam Settings, go to Web Browser, and click Clear Cache and Cookies. Then restart Steam. Another important step is to temporarily turn off your firewall or antivirus, as they can sometimes block Steam connections. If it works, add Steam as an exception. Finally, make sure your Steam client is updated to the latest version and restart your computer to apply all changes. After following these steps, error code 105 should be resolved, allowing Steam to connect properly and function normally again. Subscribe the channel for more videos.